I have a lot to share with you all today. I've scored some really great items from the Habitat Restore and a new thrift store in my area that's just amazing. And I'm going to give you guys some kitchen updates on my cabinetry, and I have some meals I prepared. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. They create step-by-step recipes with fresh ingredients and deliver them in an insulated box straight to your door. HelloFresh is offering my viewers $60 off. That's $20 off your first 3 boxes. Visit HelloFresh and enter promo code BeMyGuest60. As you can see here, your box comes neatly packaged, nutritional info, and easy to read recipe cards with step-by-step instructions. This takes the guesswork out of what to make for dinner. I love that each meal kit has the ingredients all laid out for you, and at the bottom, fresh cold meats are inside packed on ice. First, I'll be making Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. It's loaded with tons of herbs and spices. It's definitely a twist on how I usually make my spaghetti. Everything you'll need is right in this bag, even down to the whole wheat spaghetti, which is so much healthier for you. The first thing I always love to do is cook my meat. It's a habit, and I'm using sweet Italian pork sausage. I have my water boiling and I add my spaghetti. I do it this way because it takes the longest to cook. I'm then adding whole stem peeled tomatoes, and I'm just breaking them into smaller pieces. I added the peeled tomatoes in with my sauteed onions and peppers and cooked sausage, and I let it simmer for a few minutes, and then I added all the mixture in with the spaghetti, gave it a quick toss. This is not your ordinary spaghetti dinner. It was delicious. Up next, sweet as honey chicken with green beans over jasmine rice. I got my rice cooking in my rice cooker, and I've already seasoned my chicken breast. Oil is heated and I'm letting the chicken cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until it's no longer pink in the center. While that's cooking, I'm going to wash my green beans and prepare the aromatics, which calls for minced garlic and ginger and a half a tablespoon of vinegar. Green beans were very simple to make. Just place them in a microwave-safe bowl with a splash of water, microwave on high until tender or 2 minutes, then season with salt and pepper. To make the glaze, I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, stock concentrate, and honey, and let it simmer until the glaze thickens. Top with green beans and chicken, lime wedges if you like. And lastly, I'm making sesame beef tacos with quick pickled veggies and spicy crema. I love the simplicity of HelloFresh meals. You won't spend all night in the kitchen because recipes only take around 30 minutes. And you can choose from 3 meals, classic veggie and family. It's easy to cook delicious balanced dinners for less than $10 a meal. Korean and Mexican flavors is a match for a great taco. Add some chili flakes and salt and pepper to make your chili crema and top it on your taco. The pickled veggies were a hit. Cucumbers and radishes were something I really haven't had together, but it was refreshing. Used in our bathrooms is extra bath storage. I got this cabinet from Habitat Restore, and it was actually used in a kitchen, and I thought it'd be perfect to put on top of my existing countertop in my bathroom and style it with all of my favorite essentials. I have my perfume bottles, I have a little greenery, I also have some bath towels and storage for my cotton swabs and Q-tips. Bathroom counters can be taken over by personal items and clutter, but having this cabinet can keep your counter space clean and organized. With careful planning, many of you have seen my under bathroom sink organization, and it's the best organization I've ever did, and it still works. But you can never have enough storage, especially if you don't have a dedicated linen closet to store your items. The versatility of this cabinet is really nice. The grids on the glass are removable, which allows you to have a clean look or a country look or a farmhouse look. For $25, I got a lot more than what I needed. Your baskets are the perfect bathroom storage accessory. They're easy to transport and they have instant towel storage. I got this basket from HomeGoods for only $29 on clearance, and it's by Tommy Bahama. I mean, the basket costs more than the cabinet. You gotta pick and choose your battles. I love the ornate look of it, and it has a removable lid, and it can be used anywhere in the house. Habitat Restore also had 50% off all lamps and chandeliers. This chandelier had to go home with me. It was only $17. I priced something similar at Home Depot and it ran about $300. They also had this front double door, only $1,000, regular price $2,000, half off. But they also had this pantry door, brand new, for only $62. They also had brand new kitchen islands. You know, the kind that you dream about. This one was loaded with plenty of storage, and the granite was included for only $500. I want to address a few questions about my kitchen cabinets and why I will not be painting them white. I'm not on a white kitchen trend. I had a white kitchen in my other home for years, but I do plan on painting them, but not white. And you may have noticed that my dining table is gone. I got a new one, and it's actually the motivation for me painting my cabinets for something new, fresh, and different. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and I want to thank you all for watching.